Hello. So today I'm practicing showing up for myself and just expressing myself and um, acknowledging that I also have this natural human need to be seen exactly as I am. And um, right now, this is a practice of being really true to myself. So actually, I was struggling with recording myself, and finally I came up with this setup, and it feels like I'm just playing. Alam mo yun, completely unserious, pero also completely sincere. And ayun, I just feel like yung mga maingay na bata na to. And so yun, just being true to myself, and I'm proud of the courage that it takes to be this true, to be myself, and to just be unafraid in making mistakes. So I was being held back by um, my perfectionism and like my need to please other people then. Alam mo yun, na parang I was trying to impress. And like now, parang redirection of just trying to share. Yun lang. I just wanna share myself to the world, and that's it. Alam mo yun? That's enough. I just want to share myself. And so just today, I was talking to my therapist, and I really resonated with um, what he said about fear and courage, and how they always meet. And how they always meet. They always meet in the middle, and that's such a powerful reminder kasi something clicked in me, something shifted kasi how I was being courageous was different pala. I was doing it passively pala kasi it would feel like of course I do things with courage naman. I try my best, pero what I saw was like I'm being courageous, but I'm just being here lang. And then like the thing I'm afraid of, like I was letting it come to me. Alam mo yun? And like, but I was bracing for it to come, and like, oh no, like it's gonna hit me. Ganyan. And like parang I was still courageous kasi I was standing in the middle of the path ng fear, and like it was coming right at me. Pero it was like I was still afraid. Kasi, alam mo yun, like sometimes it doesn't move eh. Alam mo yun, like it's just there, yung fear ko. And, alam mo yun, um, I'm not, like I'm facing it, diba? Pero, it's different pa din if you're actually going to it. I mean, like actively, alam mo yun, being actively courageous. Na, alam mo yun, like actually going to it. Alam mo yun, like meeting it, diba? And then, uh, ayun, like it's so much more empowering if like you do it, you go to it, and you just do it. Alam mo yun, like you just, ayun, you go to it. Alam mo yun? And then I actually feel like I'm rambling and like I'm being incoherent, and that's okay. That's what I was struggling with earlier, and like what I was like editing myself. This isn't good enough kasi I'm babbling. Alam mo yun? Pero it's okay. It's a very human thing to mess up. And I mean, and I love this. I love this na, okay, I'm just being natural right now. I'm just being true. Na, and like, alam mo yun, and it's so amazing na when I give up trying to be perfect, trying to be like polished, that's when the coherence, that's when the flow comes in. Because I'm not trying anymore to be perfect. Alam mo yun? And then that's when the seemingly perfect comes in. Kasi I'm just flowing. Alam mo yun? I'm not thinking too hard on what I'm gonna say next. And right now, I'm just flowing. Alam mo yun? And I'm just being, yeah, flowing. And like, I mean, and it's so important to pause. Kasi it's so important to pause. Kasi it's important to do things calmly and to wait for your intuition. Like there's this bigger creative force that's guiding my hand, and like I don't know where I'm going and I don't know what I'm doing, and like alam mo yun, I'm messing up, and alam mo yun, it feels ang gulo-gulo, like nung this what I'm doing, alam mo yun, but it's fun, and like alam mo yun, that's what matters most naman. Like, if it's fun. And like I feel like in our world today, diba, like parang, it has to be good. It has to be, alam mo yun. Pero sometimes we forget na, but are you also having fun? Alam mo yun? And like right now, I'm having fun. Like I really love being in the rooftop. I mean, rooftops are magic. I love rooftops so much. And like I'm just looking at the view here, I'm watching the sunset, and I'm just yapping away. And like it's so fun to yap. Alam mo yun, like now na I'm shifting my focus away from trying to impress, trying to perform. Alam mo yun, na which is I think like everyone is so concerned with like giving out a good performance. Alam mo yun. And like I'm not. I don't want to perform. I just want to put myself out there, you know. And where was I? Nawala na ako. Um, uh, and like, ayun nga, like, na-shift ko yung focus from that to just, I'm talking to a friend. Alam mo yun? And it's so much fun. Alam mo, just daldalan lang. Alam mo yun? Tamang daldalan lang. Alam mo yun, I feel like that should be the title of my podcast. Tamang daldalan lang. Yeah, I was laughing with that with a friend. I think tamang magandang title ng podcast, tamang daldalan lang. Kasi, alam mo yun, we would have the most profound conversations, meaningful conversations from just tamang daldalan lang. And like, it would go somewhere, alam mo yun, like, alam mo yun, like, it's so fun din na to have silly conversations. And then it would turn to like deep conversations, and then that deep would turn into silly, and then like it's all such a dance. And ayun, like parang just taking off the pressure then of me talking here na I have to be all serious, I have to be like all wise, and like lessons here, lessons there, like useful info here and there, and like I mean I was pressuring myself, and like here being on the rooftop standing here, I mean I'm like I put the I changed the tone na okay, I'm playing. I mean, I'm just playing. Alam mo yan? And just, I mean, even forgetting na 3 minutes lang yung pwede sa reels. Alam mo yan? And like, I was so pressured pa by that na I have to like make myself concise and like summarize everything I wanna talk about, and then like parang alam mo yun, and like okay, I wasn't helping me at all na I was pressuring myself. And then like I mean it could be it could, I mean it still worked out because like oh the first 3 minutes sa IG and then I'm gonna post it on YouTube, and like I mean I'm happy. I'm proud of myself because like okay, I'm showing up again, and like alam mo yan, and like just doing it consistently, and like it's been consistent even though like weeks apart yung from my last recording, pero like it's all good kasi um I have the evidence eh na I did it um a week ago, and I have evidence na I mean trust in myself na I was able to do it. Alam mo yun, the confidence in myself na I was able to do it. Alam mo yun. Uh, so, ayun, yeah. This has been so much fun. And ang ganda ng sunset. And um, so lucky. I feel so lucky to just be alive right now. And it feels so good to be alive and to just flow like this. I mean, like I've been wanting this for such a long time. Like just to be so comfortable in expressing myself in front of the camera, and like I think it's such a maybe like this is gonna be a new setup because I'm far away from the camera and like I'm way over here, and like I don't have to like really think about the whole recording part, and I'm just yapping away. I mean, ang layo-layo ko sa technical aspects, like all the extra stuff about it, and like it's just me, the mic, and the yapping, and like that's it. Alam mo yun? That's all I need to really think about, diba? And like parang all the extra stuff, like it will come later. If I have to edit stuff out, then I will have to edit stuff out. And then like, but I have to let's cross that bridge when I get there, when I get down from here. Instead of like, yeah, and like, hi. So, alam mo yun, and I feel so happy then. So I'm building this community, and I mean I'm finally like gathering a few people, and I hope you're watching this, and like alam mo yun, and like if you're watching this, like I feel so seen. Thank you for being here. Like nakaabot ka dito, like you the real one. uh, tawag mo nito. So ayun, yeah, like and I feel like a sense of community. Na I'm just sharing this because like I mean I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you listening to this right now, and like alam mo yun, and imagining that you're not alone in feeling that way, and like I don't know, and I don't feel like I'm not alone anymore. So there, I know like alam mo yun, like a big chance that like one or two people is gonna listen to this, and like alam mo yun, and like I'm really happy now with that. If like I can just like parang make someone's day a little better, and like make someone feel a little less alone. Alam mo yun. And I think like that's the one of like the biggest um like pinakamagandang reason to be alive, to just be there for each other. Alam mo yun. And like parang we can all make all sorts of purposes and life mission, diba? But I think like the base of it, I mean like pinaka like the base of the soup, I mean is just be there. I mean let's be there for each other. I wanna be there for you. I mean I want other people to be there for me. And like I mean if we like strip it down to the most simple, I mean like when we were cavemen, alam mo yan, we were just there for each other, and like we just gathered around the fire. Alam mo yun, and we told stories. We told like, alam mo yun, nagtamang daldalan lang tayo. Alam mo yun. And, ayun. Yeah, like, parang, if we boil it down to the most simple, na, alam mo yun, we're social creatures and like, yeah, like, damn, like, hi, I'm just so happy. I love yapping and like I love na I discovered a way to like remove the pressure by just being far away from the camera. And I think I don't know if I'm still recording. Say I cannot see my phone from way up here. I'm going down and like it won't matter if uh what I just said wasn't recorded pala. Like I'm going down na. And kasi like okay, I was an offering to the universe, an offering to myself. I'm just recording and I mean I'm just talking to myself. Yapping away to myself. And ayun, so uh ayun, I'm about to meet you here, down here. Ayun, also we're still recording pa pala. And like it's dark na. Dumilim. Yun. That's why. Do I still continue? Yeah, I'm still having fun. So like, so let me show you my cat na ayaw magpahawak. Okay, diyan na lang. So I'm gonna go back up again and like tambay. Let's do a tambay on the rooftop. Like maybe, what if I sit down here? Let's sit down naman. Like say, it's important to have a balance of sitting down and standing up. So yeah, maybe this is the part where I'm gonna edit it because maybe I just wanna look at the clouds at the sunset and like have a little silence and maybe I don't have to edit it out and you can join me in the silence and like I mean whatever you're doing right now, maybe you're in your room or you're commuting and you can just watch what's happening around you. It's such a good practice. Like I always do that. Talagang really looking. Kasi you can, ano ba? I mean, I guess like the word is like really seeing things. Kasi you can look at things, but you're not really seeing it. Alam mo yun? Like parang look at this amazing coconut tree. Alam mo yun? Like parang if you really look at it, you will see na, wow, it's such an amazing tree. Alam mo yun? Like, look at this, um, such an amazing sunset. Alam mo yun? Like, and sometimes you just looked at it, pero you didn't really see it kasi, I don't know, you were in your mind, you were busy thinking about other things, thinking about the next thing you're gonna do, diba? And like, you're, I mean, essentially not being present. I mean, the being present is not being presenting. I was like saving that for like the podcast for Friday. So at studio. Like, oh, it's funny. Funny thing to say. I don't know. And it's funny to me. Like my audience or like my jokes is me. First and foremost. I think that's like a good way to be funny. Like you make yourself laugh first, and like whoever laughs, like okay, that's your audience. So like, anyways, where was I? Uh, um, Tinitignan ko yung pusa ko, where she is. Uh, Nawala na ako. And train of thought has left the station. I love saying that. Like when I'm I was with my friend, then like, daldalan kami. And then, pag nawala na, wala na. It has left the station. That's okay. Let's wait for another train. Or like, let's see where the train went. Like the previous train went. Um, so like, yeah, like really being where you are right now. I mean, like I was talking about like taking a silence. So yeah, like, I want to take like a few moments of silence to acknowledge like I mean I am here right now. I'm alive and like I have a beautiful cat na naggangayaw-ngayaw ngayon and the sunset is beautiful and I'm grateful na alam mo yun sa Monday today and I don't have work and like I'm grateful for work. It's fun sa work ko and like um yeah. Hmm. So I was enjoying that silence. At the same time, and I still wanted to yap. Kasi I was in the groove. I was in like momentum na in the yapping. And it was also okay to just pause for a bit and like lightly hold that little child na gusto lang dumaldal. Alam mo yun? And like parang, tara na, daldalan na tayo, ganyan. And like, alam mo yun? And like, I was this loving parent na, okay, like, let's, a little later, let's pause lang. Kasi, we want to pause lang. So it's also fun to pause. Ayun. And then, alam mo yun? And like, ayun, calm lang din yung inner child na yun. Na, okay, okay, sige, I'll wait. Ganun siya. Ayun. Ayun. And then, uh, yeah, ayun. And then like, hmm.